PLTR stock and Sofi stock are going to surge according to experts. Hey there, fellow investors and curious minds. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks? Well, you've come to the right place because today, we've got some hot topics on the table. We're talking about PLTR stock and Sofi stock and why experts are buzzing about them lately. You see, there's been a lot of chatter in the financial world about these two companies, and we're here to break it down for you. We'll be delving into articles like 11 analysts have this to say about Palantir Technologies, and analysts' ratings and price targets for Palantir Technologies, giving you the inside scoop on what the experts are predicting for Palantir. But that's not all. We've also got the lowdown on Sofi, with insights from the CEO himself in the article, Sofi CEO talks second quarter growth and stealing share from big banks. Plus, we'll explore how Sofi is making some strategic moves with the Surety Technologies risk-exec SaaS platform. In Sofi selects Surety Technologies risk-exec SaaS platform for Community Reinvestment Act data management and analysis. So if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and potentially make some smart investment decisions, stick around. PLTR and Sofi are on the radar, and we're about to uncover why experts are saying they're set to surge. Let's get started. 11 analysts have this to say about Palantir Technologies. Analysts' ratings and price targets for Palantir Technologies. Hey there, savvy investors! Today, we're peeling back the curtain on Palantir Technologies and what the experts have been whispering about this intriguing company. As of September 15, 2023, the spotlight has been shining brightly on Palantir, with 11 analysts chiming in on where they think its stock is headed in the next 12 months. Buckle up because we're about to break it all down. So here's the big reveal. The average price target according to these 11 analysts stands at $15.77. But, and it's a pretty big but, this number comes with a range that's as wide as the Grand Canyon. We're talking a high target of $25 and a low of $7.50. That's like predicting the weather in a tornado. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. The analysts' ratings. It's a bit of a mixed bag here. 4 analysts are feeling somewhat bullish, so they're cautiously optimistic. 3 are playing it cool in the middle, neither bullish nor bearish. 2 are wearing the bearish hat with a somewhat cautious view, and 2 more are fully embracing the bearish stance, painting a more pessimistic picture. The number of bullish and bearish ratings is like the tug-of-war between the optimists and the skeptics. More bulls? That's a positive outlook. More bears? Well, you guessed it. That's a less rosy outlook. But wait, there's a twist. That average price target has surged by a whopping 54.76% in just 1 month. That's like hitting the turbo button on a rocket ship. It's a clear sign that the analysts are getting more and more excited about Palantir's potential. Now, how do these analysts work their magic? They don their wizard hats and dig deep into a company's financial crystal ball. They project earnings, usually 5 years into the future, and scrutinize every nook and cranny of the financial statements. They're like detectives, attending company meetings and chats with insiders to gather all the puzzle pieces. Then, they put it all together and publish their ratings, giving us regular folks a sneak peek into what might lie ahead for the company. So if you're in the mood for a stock market roller coaster, Palantir Technologies is one to keep a close eye on. With analysts in a frenzy, it's clear that something's brewing, and you wouldn't want to miss out on the action. Sofi CEO talks second quarter growth and stealing share from big banks. Now, let's head on straight to some exciting news straight from the world of digital banking and personal finance, courtesy of Sofi CEO Anthony Noto. He recently had a chat with CNBC's Jim Cramer, and boy did he have some interesting things to say. Sofi, for those who don't know, started its journey by helping folks finance their student loans. But here's the plot twist. They got themselves a banking license last year. And guess what? Since then, they've been on a tear, like a bank on steroids. According to Noto, they've been snatching up market share from those big traditional banks that have been around forever. And the numbers don't lie. Sofi has been raking in more than $2 billion in deposits every single quarter since they got that shiny new banking license. In the second quarter alone, they added a whopping 584,000 new members to their club, bringing their total membership to over 6.2 million. That's a jaw-dropping 44% increase compared to the previous year. But that's not all. Their stock had a victory dance, rallying 20% in just one session after they dropped their earnings report. Talk about making a statement. So what's their secret sauce? Well, it's all about the mobile-first technology and a range of financial products that are attracting customers like bees to honey. Think personal loans to tackle credit card debt and student loan refinancing. Noto spills the beans on why people are flocking to Sofi. If you've got a student loan and you're looking to lower that monthly payment, we've got your back. Whether it's through a lower interest rates or extending the term, we're all about giving people options to get their financial ducks in a row. And it seems folks find that pretty darn appealing. So there you have it, folks. Sofi isn't just a fintech company anymore. They're a bona fide banking heavyweight. And they're here to shake things up. Keep an eye on these folks. They're clearly doing something right. Sofi selects Palantir Technologies Risk-Exec SaaS platform for Community Reinvestment Act data management and analysis. Sofi, that digital personal finance company that's been making waves, has made a smart move. They've decided to team up with Risk-Exec Incorporated, a subsidiary of Palantir Technologies, LLC, to take care of their compliance and reporting needs. Now, you might be wondering, what's Risk-Exec all about? Well, it's a top-notch SaaS or software as a service platform designed to help financial institutions like banks, mortgage lenders, credit unions, auto lenders, and digital lenders stay on the right side of those pesky regulations. It's like your trusty GPS for compliance. One of the cool things it does is super speedy geocoding, which basically means it can pinpoint exactly where something is located on a map. It also runs some fancy checks to make sure everything is on the up and up. And with all that clean data, it can whip up some pretty slick analysis. Think figuring out who's getting loans, comparing it to others in the market, and keeping tabs on how well they're meeting their own goals. Angie Smedley, the CRA officer at Sofi, is pretty stoked about it. She says Risk-Exec's geocoding wizardry, ability to customize, and top-notch customer support have made their customer loan review process way more efficient. And who doesn't love efficiency, right? But that's not all. Sofi isn't just using Risk-Exec for compliance. They're also using their CRA module to track and report on their small business and community development loans. They're not just about making profits. They are committed to giving back to the community. Sofi is all about helping folks achieve financial independence and serving the needs of the communities they operate in, especially those that are underserved. They're aligning their mission and core values with CRA regulations, and Risk-Exec is there to help them do just that. Dr. Anurag Agarwal, president of Risk-Exec, is thrilled to have Sofi on board. He knows the regulatory landscape can be a bit of a maze, and Risk-Exec is like a trusty guide, helping banks prepare for those all-important regulatory examinations. So there you have it, folks. Sofi is making moves, and they've got Risk-Exec in their corner to keep things shipshape on the compliance front. It's a win-win for everyone involved. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Happy investing!